Today, magbe-beach kami ng family ko. So, yun. Eto, nag-rent lang kami ng van.
Ay, sa plastikan.
Mommy, are you ready?
Oo,
Are you ready?
Ay, di man ako.
Hi, baby girl! Are you ready? Magsiswimming ka? Siya lang naghahawak sa sarili niya. Ayan. Holly! Holly, saan po si Holly? Dito si Mami. Uy, dito. Na. Hi! Hi! Busy siya. Oh. Wow! Mahulog ka ha? Wow! Nakaramdam ng tawag ng kalikasan si Sako.
Ay, ano ha, magmangkaini mo. So,
Anak, huwag ka nang papaba.
Filipino style. Nasibul gayud siya. Nahuyo. Water? Hello, Daddy.
Halik mo.
Halik, Daddy, halik.
Alright, let's keep
Okay, let's go.
It's good view.
Volleyball. Dapat din na lang yung Bouncing volleyball. Hi, Sak! Hi, Sak! Nakatulog si Sak eh.
Saka yung shark.
Seaweed in the water.
Okay.
Dito mayroon.
Wala man na, biro lang siya.
White shark. Pero pwede natin ang
No,
gulong.
there's no shit. And then don't makakata kita. Di pa masin. I-check namin yung bedrooms. We'll check the bedrooms, Beb.
tapos skip the door lock lang po ate.
Ah,
Lock lang po palagi.
palagi ang door. Okay.
Kapag umaalis. For safety.
Beach.
Hello.
Malayo. 2.5 hours drive. Tapos ito yung room. Ito siya. Wow! Ilang bed?
11.
11 beds. Wow, ayan. Tigi-isang...
And they've got room too.
Yeah, they got room too, yeah. Anong number kayo, kuya?
14.
This is our bedroom.
Where?
5.
Who's this one?
The big group. It's nice, isn't it?
Cool.
It's like a boarding house.
Okay, now you want that one?
I want this one.
Back it away from there. Colin.
Because there's a lamp.
Where are we?
Here,
Who's
babe.
in this one?
Uncle, this is ours. This is 5. Diba? It's all, look at the bathroom.
Good.
3, how many toilets?
2 and 2 shower room.
2 toilets and 2 shower rooms. That's good.
And toilet that one.
Ah, okay. Toilet. Alright. Thank you, ate. Mag-lunch muna kami. Are you having cornetto? Kasi masarap nga. lumakad yung bola nila. Nak, dito lang nak. Is it fun here, Kuya? Do you like it here?
It's sandy.
Thank you. Go there closer to Daddy, please.
Mom, what?
Yeah, closer to Dad. Let's go.
What?
Go closer to Daddy, please. PJ, listen. Tyron, here. Come on, let's try. We have to go closer to Dad. Come on. Come on. Okay na pa. Oh, ano, very soft sand. Go to Lolo. Hi. Daddy wants you. Ooh. Ako na.
Baby, okay.
Oh, it's really hot. Oh, ang init mo nandito sa tubig. Howie. I see the Floyd. Do I see the Floyd?
Howie.
Okay. Okay.
Si Beb.
Na.
May Nathan tayo.
Come on.
Oh. Eh. Dali.
Wait, I need this. Dad! 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 Ah, Dad! Daddy, oh! Get her now, please.
Hi, Holly.
Wait, mommy's coming.
Sige lang.
Yeah, it's really hot.
What are you doing?
What's wrong, Zach? Is it nice, Ollie? At bako na ba siya takot? Ha, sa ambot. We need that, Ollie. Yes, Baba.
Oh, wow. Don't try sand.
Hi, Holly. Bye. No, stay here with mommy.
shark dito. Ano ba? Ano
Wala namang
nandito ba? Ano nandito?
Wait.
Naka-face. No shark.
Ayan si Lola tsaka si Lola. Cooling down,
Where?
in their bed.
Sleeping.
No, they're not sleeping. It's too hot, Annie.
It's not hot. When I can go out a little bit past par, it's perfect.
It's a Pussy Holly. Holly, did you like the water? You want
Zach, want an ice
cream?
cream?
Do you want ice cream na? Okay, Crystal has.
Want to sell? With Papa.
Oh, patap gan kada pa, Tom Cruise. Ice cream.
Oh.
What's wrong, Baba? Here. There.
Go, Papa. Papa.
Put in there.
Sandro here! Sandro! Nada yung suboses ko. Hi, Holly! Na! Here! Oh, magayon na. Nag-high tide na. Sandro here! Tijan! Nak! Wow, Holly.
Say hi.
Hi, Holly. Wow. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ah! Where's Kuya Sak? Hi, Kuya Sak. Sak, come here. Let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Go lay in
Clap, 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 clap.
Clap.
Clap, clap, clap. Let me see your face, Sak. Come here. Look, come here. I can't see you. Come here. Look.
It's gonna rain.
Sak, come here. Bye-bye.
Rain, Baba.
Sak! You're not listening to mommy. Come here. Your face. Did you eat the ice cream? Sak, what now? It's too early, Bob.
Na?
Maputi yung kaholi.
2 o'clock, so then have to swim later tonight.
Clap, clap, clap.
Wow! Alright! Wow! Got it down?
Don't eat that.
Wow! Ipangos ni Papa yung kangin. Hindi na yung gas, ha? What's that, Holly? You wash your mouth. Wash it. Holly. Wow. Do it like this. Sleeping. Ah! Kinakalat! No! Sidila, sidila. Tiya.
I'm a dang.
Sa. Come here, Sa.
Wow.
Akin na. Ugasan ba? Sa'yo ba? Si ate mang babalot. Bumili kami ng balot. Balot? Balot tsaka penoy.
Did you pay
Kay
that?
Yes, I did. Ano yan ate? Chicharon? Bayad na te. Mabakal ka te. Water
Hey,
baba.
Bob.
There's no water.
Yeah, we got lots of water here.
Yeah, actually, to know that. 'Cause, here, then I'll give you Coke later. Come on. There.
Balot.
Jack, you want fun noodles? Don't spill it.
Ay, ayoko. Nahiling ko ang mata. This is balot. Do you want balot?
Over there, Mum's there.
Hindi na kinaya ni Holly. Nakatulog na siya. Busog kaya siya? True.
Here.
Come on. No fighting. Zach, get it! Yes. 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 Yes, always there. Yes. Yes. Get the ball. Ay, para mo, nabamat mo ako.
At sa na mga alas 6, tururot na yan.
It's alright.
Oh, you're done.
That's part of the game. Go get it, Zach, run! It's alright. No fighting. TJ, no pushing, TJ. Go ahead, TJ. Go, Zach. Go get him, Zach. No, TJ. Oh! Zachary. That's it, Kuya. That's enough. Come on, play. May boobs, may cleavage ka na.
Sock with boobs.
Somebody she wants to go in.
No, no, no.
Kuya.
Bend your knees, bend your knees. Bend your knees.
Move your knees.
Bend your knees. Bend.
Bend your knees. Stop. Like that.
Bend.
Like that.
Wiggle.
Ayan mo siya, kuya. Come on.
Okay, I'm going to bed now. You sleep there for now. Don't get in your eyes.
Come on. Hurry up.
Keep wiggling. Move your knees, your legs.
Gusto niya man daw mag-slide, di ba yun na?
Di ba ng boobs slide oh?
Kanina yung boobs.
Zach, come on.
Oh, they're so wet.
Mama, dahil mo pinaanong ano?
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Nak, come out.
Oh no. What? No,
Oh, yeah,
that's it.
yeah, yeah.
Move.
Okay.
Oh, now move.
Like a hawk. Wow. Wow. Come on. Obo. Ano po? Ano ay? May dudo pero may lawit.
Move your knees.
Come on, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, that make it harder.
Bend your knees.
Bend, Nak, like this. Zach, like this. Bend.
Not that.
Bones and love, pituto. Wait, kuya, I'm gonna take photo. Wait, dako lang. Wait, kuya, don't move because we're gonna take photo. Are you having fun?
Yes. Look at me.
Yeah, don't move.
Can I move it?
Not yet because mom's gonna take photo.
Hello, hello.
Need a hand?
Look at me. No.
Hi.
Mom, now.
Not yet.
Oh, I'm gonna help out now.
Have a swim. What's
Like
that?
that.
Boobs. Come on, Zach.
Again.
No more. That's it. Tomorrow,
Can we make a pool here?
get the boobs.
Yeah. Look.
How about you, Zach? Are you stuck?
Get out.
Let's go swimming. Let's go. Let's go.
Bye, bye, Jack. Bye, Jack. DJ. DJ. Bye, Jack.
Holly, bye-bye. Holly, go. Bye-bye. Clap, clap. Kaputan mo ang kamot. Kapot niya. Marabaso na, no?
Can you make that all the way to mine?
Malinawan, malinawan pa, oh.
Zach, no, Zach, you have to hop out. Zach, you have to hop out. You have to hop out on 20.
Asan si Holly? What? Tuk 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 tuk. Hurry, Holly.